Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings, and over here again scroll down a little bit and you can find the chat settings available for us under the category of settings. Tap on chat settings and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the switch to night mode option available for us over here just above the browse themes. Now in order to turn on the dark mode, tap on switch to night mode and the dark mode will be activated on Telegram. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.